Class stand, we are standing up. Greetings, good day to all Sierra Leoneans. Whatever will say you there, this is the program called Love Salon and Left by That. Me where they talk to Unamina Adebayo. My people today, the 10th of January 2022. My people today, I get a very important message for Una again. And I can always tell Una say, if we sleep, we wake, nothing will happen. We tell Papa God thank you. My people in the salon today, I got 3 messages for Una again. Mupame, but, and to know a story with a pool, we gonna continue for pool the story where people they want for hear, and we gonna continue for say the things where people they want for know. And to know say, now we get the man them inside the man them. Sierra Leoneans, today is a brand new day, a brand new Monday. We move 2022. Today, I want to talk to Southeasterners then, and I want to talk to SLPP. All the things that we don't do for these 4 years, I want to ask them question. Southeasterners, if it correct, what thing Mother Bio don't do na salon, if it correct or it wrong. Because now what thing camera record, now in video they show. All the things here, all the evidences there, we get them. And I want to make people understand one thing. The TRC reports, it then a Sierra Leone. Let people buy up. It then a salon bookshop. Let them read the recommendation them. When they make that country there, the things that we make we get war. And like how they can get war so. Now the same things they happen again. Where they can make we get war back in Sierra Leone. The same thing that when they recognize the court system. Now one party institution will make we get war in Sierra Leone because of injustice to that country. No freedom of speech. Now one party thinks that. Corruption. Now one party thinks that. 98.1. Now one party institution them where they elite, we make them kill beaucoup people in that country. But 30 day 98.1 they exist. 30 day the court system they do the same things there. The police, the things that when they do in that country, all them what they call say then at the TRC report. When I don't think they make we get war. But 30 day, salon people we never learn from that. That same thing they repeat themselves. They don't allow tell we don't reach to sound don't reach show today. Today the country don't full of grudge. The country don't full of vengeance. The country don't full of revenge. Everybody gets but that's right now in the country. Everybody gets hurt for company. Why? Madam Bio make sure say that it bring come na the country, split the country. Now it make for any bad things where they happen in that country. Hate for say this, but I get for talk am. The Mende people and some of them things here with the talk say not to good people in that country. I hate for say am, but I get for talk am. Not to every Mende bad, but the bad one them beaucoup pass the good one them. That are the talk can be without no fairness. And the talk can not only reversible statement that they make so. The bad people them are the Mende people them. And the one they were bad from the Mende them beaucoup pass the one they were not bad. Yes, they get a very decent and nice people. Nobody know they take away that true day. But the wicked one them, the selfish one them, now them beaucoup will make today Southeasterners, they will see them as evil. We see them as bad people in that country today. Today we all see somebody where they do rituals, kill people them. Then go today, then free them. But why make we send them message today at the Southeast? Now for make them know how them people them don't treat salon people them. Let them they put on the S. Because if they allow this war come, this war team up, this war right, I swear by God, I swear to God, now them get for suffer, they then get for get the highest casualty. Tomorrow they get for say, hey, I never been the talker, I never been the say. Today, now yeah, we all see. Madam Bio get the guts and the mind. Somebody will kill John Benjamin Pussy. When Madam Bio take power and free him. Now yeah, we all see Baba they kill another country. When Madam Bio come and free them people them day. Now yeah, we all see LSA kill somebody. Madam Bio come and free LSC. Damn security. That's the make people they not go forget for kill again. That's the make people and go say, but they kill after 1, 2, 4, 5 years with they come out. Now he make the people over the APC not go forget for do anything again anymore. Una back una kill una able kill when APC can have power then they free them back. We're not so sorry for B, but I saw it look like say it got for can be. Now so it look like say it got for can be because all the people that were killed were in jail. When Madam Bio come, he don't free them all. So that means say all the bad things about that country, now Madam Bio they orchestrate them. Now Madam Bio they engineer them. Now Madam Bio they pioneer them. We all know that one day. We all sabi that one day. We all they see the bad things where they happen today in that country. Today, this government come, they look LSC, they free them. And there is so many audios them, people that they talk, LSC they send them, they pull them for this, they pull them for that. But one thing me know, LSC my man bombo force. Okay, LSC, the Moreman, where they work for them back, in my man bombo back. Okay, the double where he get, me Adebayo, the double where LSC say he get, the double in my man bombo back. And my man pin my back. Me, Adebayo, now me that declare you now wanted, and would they kill you. LSC would they kill you in that country. I say, will they kill you in that country? Make no mistake about it, you know they go scot-free. And today, we they give 72 hours to all the musicians in that country, the DJs in that country. Today, we they call on County now where open my man Bombosa in a ambassador. Now, yeah, LSC kill a DJ where they play on a music. The collabo when I'm in there, collabo stand firm, the CJ, all people stand at the industry for make justice prevail. And justice prevail at that time. Then you today, whether before, we say you're not the ambassador. Today you stick your man bomb somebody, will kill somebody in the industry. Then free him. You you're not able to talk, you're not able to say anything. Today, I they call on the musician in all of that country. The DJs them all of that country, the president of the DJs them. We need to see action from Una. We need to see action. Now yeah, they kill last small picking Khadija. We see Cayman, they all grab, they go demonstrate. We see una all collabo, did this, una all come out and demonstrate. When a very good thing, we support that and cool. But today they don't free LSC. Over 1 week now, no actions from the musicians, no actions from the DJs, no action from the Jimmy B them, the best symphonic, they will stick them, mama them, bombo them. We say that then the end industry. Today we not see nothing happen. DJ Clef that swear gets, that I kill him, he left both. DJ Clef in mama and papa will burn them, that swear they get. Somebody where they fight hard for the industry day. Today them kill him. Because I'm Mendeman kill him. Nobody now want to take action now. Una only musician in that country. From the LJ, the Colombo, the Raga Spice, the famous the Western Fatima Bion are the best. The Star Zero them. We want to see actions. Enough is enough. This is a proper bully. Now we all remember. Leon stand for play tomorrow. Then tears so they happen. We all know Suicide Lima beats a punch a footballer. Now Buffy left, not to not see come up behind the. Remember I said today, then kill DJ. Tomorrow then go kill footballer back, he left Buff. Tomorrow, when the player had a listen all that how they happen, they're not gonna tell well for represent that country there. For they can bad thing they are. What is president they do now that country there? Injustice. Now, it makes today the country full of vengeance, the country full of hate, the country full of bad hearts. How somebody go don't kill, cold blood. That person gets him, mama and papa, again, wife and picking. Una kill him. Then the person will kill, they don't sentence him. Today they don't pull him. One statement we not hear from the industry. One statement we not hear from police. So Fula not come and open my mind bombo saying a lawlessness. So Fula not come and open my mind Toto saying a lawlessness. So Fula not come and open my mind Conk and tell people I'm saying a lawlessness. And not ever come and do that. So Fula don't kill another policewoman again. When, because this policewoman salute Ernest Koroma, when I write for anybody, stressor, when a formal head of state, I don't let salon, I don't see where it pass. So the man and they salute him. One day they not arrest person for that. When Pakaba been done a salon as formal head of state president, so the man and they salute him, one day they not arrest somebody for that. Now here we all see a woman, just because he salutes Ernest Koroma, when I right for salute him because the former president of the country. So Fula go and suspend the woman, remove her from the barrack a day. Now the woman don't die. So Fula not afraid he go, he take 2.5 million to one bag yes for going to the barrack. If I've been dead day, then people here for just don't kill so Fula. He stand to side there. So where I sit for them? Where will not take that money there, boy? Why will not take that rest there, boy? The people that they mock we, the people that they provoke we day by day, minute by minute, we not idiots them, we not bastard picking them. Then tear for happen. The woman writes for salute when you see Ernest Koroma. Once you not soldier or police, any say you see Ernest for salute. Because the formal president, the second thing, the formal chief of staff of the army. Ebo, the SACAM now two times they don't do the same thing. When police or soldier them they salute Madam Bio, they arrest anybody, they catch anybody for that. This advantage is too much of the country. This advantage is perspective of the country. We need to come together. Now we stop the advantage they are. There is no way things that will matter. Now then things that we for talk. Why on earth for pull LSC? Why on earth for release LSC? LSC, the devil way they worship him, my mind Bombo. Me Adebayo say, the devil way they worship him, my mind Toto back. Me Adebayo say, the devil where you they worship to, and my mind Bombo. LSC, my mind conk. With a cutter, we give you a like eat up. We kill you in that country. We kill you. The soldier man where they guide you. We run after them, mama and papa them. We run after the weapon and picking them. Enough is enough. This is the advantage to the highest degree. Because now man, first man we begin kill what we all are aware and conscious of for ritualists, man. Indo, who that a starter, Mendeman, no school, no college, who that a starter, Mendeman, chief minister, Ali Kabade, now the beginner. Every bad thing for form Kamajo, for form rebel, for form Alaki, just Alaki in them. Now them bastard became and the people are the starter. I hate for saying this, but this is the fact I'm saying here. There are good people in there for the Mende people, that's for sure. But now look the kind of things then today. Why today? Madam Bio they release people that we don't do bad, we don't kill in that country. Why they for release LSC? Why LSC forget security? Why LSC for worker? Una the industry, 72 hours. If you una not take action, Caudinero, the president of the DJs them, and they begin cost to mama them every day and then they cost to mama them. You Kabaka, you said on all in the industry because now they can begin cost you mama and bombo back for a meeting money. And they begin cost you mama and toto back for a meeting money. And they begin cost away mama and bombo back for a meeting money. And they begin cost you papa and papa and polo cost in tight kaka all and they begin cost now. Kabaka. If you not give a meeting money, you mama bombo back if you not give a meeting money. You understand? Today we all see, because of Botton Kenema business, we all see them go free LSE. Waiting at the statement, we all not make. Waiting at the statement, waiting at the actions, una the musicians them, what una don't do, una the DJs them, what una don't do towards this. It's too much. Today na DJ then go kill. Tomorrow then go kill musician. Next tomorrow then go kill footballer. Right? There's no way them for pull LSE. There's no way them for release LSE. Everything went bad. Then this government they support. And they call on everybody, una the industry, the Jimmy B them, una all need for team up. The Asa Ayub, una all need for team up. Why they for release LJ, LSE? LJ, una all need for stand up for una brother in Taiwan. Una be don't fight for justice. How una be fight for make una brother get justice? Now so una for continue for fight for make una brother get justice again. Yes. Yes. And I need for stand up for make una brother get justice. If you una not stand up, DJ Clef his soul no go rest. If you una not stand up, DJ Clef his soul no go ever rest for una. And no go ever forgive una. And no go ever forgive una. For make una team up. For make this thing, LSE the worker free, they open my mind bombo, they tell people, they say, it's well protected. It say well protected. Ebo, and they declare anybody, LSE, any source on a siam, una need for stone them to death. Any sound of someone on a LSE, una stone them to death. If una not stone LSE to death, you, the president for the DJs them, Asabios, I know say you there, will declare war against you. Caldinero, as ambassador, will declare war against you. Colombo, as president for All-Star, if you will not take action, will declare war against you all. Will declare war against you now. Nobody know they go on a launching again. Nobody know they go on a shows them again. Nobody know they go on a shows them again anymore. And una the radio station them. Una will get the radio station them. From the Tambayona, una always get the radio station. Anybody will play salon music and they cost him a man bombo. Una protect actions. And una protect actions. This thing not for go scot-free. LSE not for go scot-free. LSE for facing justice. LSE for facing death. And not get no other judgment than death. And for die. Sierra Leoneans. This is my first message. My second message today. Now it's about what happened at the court with Fisher. 6 months ago, I tell Fisher, say, this APC case we're fasting. If you're not taking time, now they lost in life. And Pekin just begin die. If you're not taking time, now they go die. When I did the Paris show. I tell salon people and from me first audio where I make on the 8th, I say war they come na Sierra Leone. And very soon the war not they fight again. You know, these are some of the things where they tell people and say, Madam the officer is smart, but not smart. Now here we all see when the commission of inquiry come, they say for ban people them, where thief or where not thief. Madam Bio come out like in an angel. Say, you know, they ban nobody, pay the money, no more, then take the money, but then you know, they ban nobody from politics. A person is smart. We don't know why he do so, because he knows say he get the judiciary, and they can use the judiciary for convict certain people them, put them on Panama Road, tell the time for election pass or not pass. But I want thing that I want to make clear now. That person then called Samura Kamara. Una put on a jello, and I not put on a jello. If APC say na him they want, if the people of Sierra Leone say na him they want, nothing know they change him. So then a Panama Road with the pull him, it can be president. We not get problem with that day. Right? And nothing on the change them. Madam, you not get no power again at that country. They challenge everybody. Na bagbati they make. Na bongo vote. And not get no power again at that country. Then let me come to Fisher again. I been tell salon people them say, especially Madam Bio Fisher them all. Now me get for make them get case to that country. And now me don't give them case already. Now two me get for make them die. Because then they want for talent me watch them. They go want for stand by me watch them. Say, Uda na Adebayo. That Uda na Adebayo na get for kill una earlier. That one say, Uda na Adebayo for talk something with Duam. Na get for kill una. That underrate na go want for underrate me statements them. Na inga for Beruna. I swear to God if I dey lie. That die usa see also today. Na inga for Beruna. Na inga for kill una. Let's tell una now this. See, that is something about Peter Fisher. You get bastard begin the wedding at APC. Then they tell Fisher, say, and Escoma and Sane, now then they pay me. And Escoma and Sane, now then they send me for costing mama. When me not putting on, they not born that person there itself. Go tell me, say, cost person mama. They not born them it. They not make that person there itself. When they tell me, say, cost this person mama. Fisher, nobody not get monopoly over me. And the costume mama I want. When you stop for do the bad thing, and stop for costume mama. But since you do the bad things, and the costume mama in Bomba, the costume mama in Kong, and the costume mama in Toto, day by day. Let's tell you now. The one they will tell you that one day. And that one way they go and talk, I see people in the vex. Because Fisher say, they can't make the judgments now. And the judgment we want to make, and they can form until executive na APC, and they cancel this executive, and they ban them. Then they form until executive. He said because this executive don't expire. I know I let nobody vex. If the Fisher no say, mama born and like how them born me, it get tone like how me get tone. If the Fisher no say, them born and fine. If the Fisher no say he get balls, like how me get balls, let Fisher make that decision day. Let nobody not talk to Fisher. Anybody will grab for talk to Fisher in my mind bombo back. Anybody will beg Fisher back in my mind toto back. Let nobody not beg Fisher. Let nobody not talk to him. Fisher, go ahead and make that decision day. Go ahead. If you the fucking help you, my man bombo they say the APC executive don't expired. What about the SLPP executive where expired from 2017? Imagine that executive that been not expired from 2017. We are 2022. Now 21 they make convention December last year. Now they make convention. What are you saying about it? What do you got for say about that? You not talk nothing. Samuel come out in case. Now you then go give for like convict them, jail them. Fine. APC case. Now you, the mandate judge, any other give the case, they say they don't want to because they get blessing. You not get blessing. If you say that decision that you want to take, alhamdulillah, make a one time. Make them now. If you not say you're a man. And that executive showing one can pick that into the executive. Right? It's at Conte, Mikailu. This bastard picking silver blinding where pistol each from 4. Make them let's see. And know how they start. The interim government on the peak, who they kill all man day before kill you Fisher. They say kill dog before dog let dog no say die day. If you not say you a man, make that decision day. Let nobody not beg Fisher. Let nobody and after we don't talk and so today. Let nobody not talk anything again about Fisher. Say, now this you want do, now this you don't want do. If the Fisher not say, mama born and fine, let him make that decision day back. Let take that decision day. Let take that decision day where Mother Bio tell us so for make it do. But I one thing I can always tell the people of APC. Them people are waiting at APC on officing at them, now the sentence, they are the most dangerous people. Them. This Mikailu, first of all, Mikailu Masaya, you na deputy chairman, you dey play on the hand game there. How you want let God give you power? Now so you grab You never matter be on a sex company, una go kill that innocent super. Because you know the main man where use Nabo na you bobo. You know the one part the main man that you earn a depa na super in Taiwan. Matter be a depa super in Taiwan. Gino Nova and do everything una use Nabo for kill super. When they take care of thousands of people in that country. People are know. Me a sabi me a know. Me Kailu. But people that don't understand, people that not sabi, you know one part the bastard bikini kishi they in that party day. Now una same one the gap. The tell Fisher say na Aneskoma, na they use me. Una mama them bombo them back. Who's kind nasty this? Who's kind like eating this? When people and they talk the main things and now you get bastard bikini they can now anyone respond to me. Because this is too much. If you want to beat your man, come out. Don't go hide it. That's the same thing you do. Say la Aneskoma pick because I been believe say some of una Aneskoma una paddy now una go school so you go choose una. When not choose una now look the dirty game they play. Now una come out say let them vote. Well no one Aneskoma no they pick nobody now for beat your man. You know they select nobody una going to election. You know go support nobody who they want for support but now they support. That bad name una want for give that power. You know go possible again now. If you want to beat chairman, come out. Declare say you want to beat chairman. Not by force because you be deputy for beat chairman by force. Enough for be. Like you know one part the poorest minister that will be top minister. Today you reach. Because they work with Madabio, now make when Madabio come and not do you nothing. And not since you property there, they left you thief money. Madabio can say you not thief. These are some of the people, are some of the idiots that were in that party there. But when people in the top, people they don't understand. Now they can tell everybody, we move. Nobody in the couch will be in again. Because we they wait for the national decision. Now they go undermine. Now they talk to Fisher. Fisher, they eat tuna money back. I want. And they eat tuna money back, I want. Why they tell people, they say, some of them idiots they are, una sabi them, host them. This is the time for one to lick them bits. Now then they destroy this party. The Mikailu, the Petito, the Mohamed Bangura, them. Now them they destroy this party. Then they inside the party, then they play on the honey. Now the Madabio they use full. The severe blinding them. This is not hide again. It don't show. Koju, everybody don't see them. But when they about the talk, we know they see the bigger picture. Me, I like cannot get him for it. That guy here, sugar and milk, I will continue for it. Now that's God's destiny, say. Right? I don't not get him for it. But the fact is that we go talk him. On and done, I never scatter the party. Now they go Congo Sato Madabio. Now they go Congo Sato Madabio. Congo Sato them, JFK, they will all. They molka the party. Now, wealthy 4 years today. Madabio, all people in passport them. But Petito in passport, you know, all them. Petito, the kind I want. And they go America, I want. Why not all in passport? When I want party man, they went thief for the sack. The two, look the two, let them. The two, no I, two, not true. You don't get no name. Not true. These are the idiots, them. Una watch. This pastor begin Kalako anytime they want cancel loan. Now the time they begin talk fine for Madabio. Una watch how they operate. Anytime they want cancel loan because they all like cover them. They're not only passport too, but all the loyalists them to Aneskoma, they all in passports them. Why? Why? Silver Blood did not be formal minister, but they left for them getting passport. They fly once. So this the two is the low one. We don't see the selfishness. Why they not for all Silver Blood in passport to be minister? Why they not for all Petito in passport to be minister? Eh? Why? Why they not for all them passports there? Mohamed Bangura not for go no side, but the travel go because the man will be minister. We all see the things and they happen so that before we die. People let sit down, but the time don't come. 2022 we move. Nobody know they escape this. Who that for die, they die. Who that go see 2023, go see her. But Fisher, if you not say you a man, Them burn you like how them burn me. Make that decision that you want for make sure. Make her not to threat you, they threat you, for lie. And they threat you. You know, be big man. That decision that you want make sure, make them back. Make her no more. Make them. Now make her tell people, let's say, 2023, you not go reach, we go see what they happen. Everything we get for happy, they happen this year. So now make people and get for prepare for that every day, every time, every minute, every hour. People get for prepare for that. Yes. Now watch the whole country. Nothing on the move. Everybody they wait for APC for them decision. Everybody they wait for make APC pick their flag bearer. Everybody just they wait. They wanna sit down and they delay people in destiny. When they waste people in time. Because of una selfishness, una greed. I see we don't talk as so love alone. Anybody where APC the kind of power will be non thief. And then they be minister and again. Hey, Mikhail, you not going to be minister and again. You be don't thief, then put it anti-corruption. Anybody who them be don't sack, and then be minister and again. Then we una get forget that word, me and una. Now me and una get forget that word. If una say, una always don't thief, we don't do part of that country, una one can be minister back. Now lie that one, they can't up for the other people them. And if you can't up for we now, so they go us. But Kaka not run for the other people them. No make this thing clear. This time around, people for move. PPRC, would they watch them? Would they watch PPRC? Would they look them? Would they watch them? Would they see them? Madam and Web just sit down and they do a like it in the country. Together we all see. When Anescoma, they talk to people within the diaspora. I say, una come. Una can invest. And they make party for them. And they encourage them. And no matter if you know Mende, or Timney, or Loco, or Limba, and they invite all Jessina State House. They say, una all come. And they talk to them. They say, una can invest. This is our country. And put security in place. Ever, Fatima Bien and Web, they just sit down. They squander people their money them. They thief people their money them at the country. Then just they go and do bad things at the country. Then boy Kenema, then just they lie on them. Then they collect. Now collect and then puts them pa. Madam Bio puts them pa collect. Today, it can betray them 1-1. 1-1. I don't tell people them. Some of them, Madam Bio, they jail them. Madam Bio, they make sure they betray them all. And anybody will know any secret from Madabio in life they are at stake. Anybody will know any secret from Madabio in life they are at stake. Right? PPICC, how the SLPP, how they operate. They go shoot Stabatilo Song and us. Fire gun. And okay for them. No cost to be complained. No cost to be complained. Tell that thing that will happen so. Now you for happy. Now you will all say so full of the snap put SLPP them. They not arrest them. They not do nothing. They not sack them. Now right. Today anything what them do, now them right. When people like come out for them right, then they tell people they say they're lawless. When people like stand for them right, they say people they're lawless. But today na LSC Madabio, the idiots don't go pull. Madabio not lawless. They're right. Now, right? Now, your people, they cost mommy cost now. Right? They don't say they're lawless. Where LAD talk to cost asthma, you don't even cost asthma themselves. Asthma James in Piki, where cost LAD, mama, and I right. They not arrest them. But Asthma James, God explain, make I tell people them say, Madam, you're in Kawana Salon. I can't give you sense. I can learn, make you know beaucoup tiwe hide. Had the NGO project there, then civil society them. We they wait for them. And think that they all set them, mama them bombo them. Look at the kind of thing that don't happen. The religious leaders them. They sit down, the pastor mambu them. They don't come and talk. Say no, this is not right. No, this particular thing is undone. LSC for facing justice. They're not for release LSC. Ever, imam and pastors then sit down. Somebody it's 680 billion, 83 billion. Ebo. 688 billion. Sorry. 688 billion. The bank governor. Destroy him. The man of God, they don't ever come and condemn. They don't ever call the president and talk to him. Now we all see 152 billion. Where the audit report pull. They don't come and say anything towards that. Hey, religious council. Religious council. Today, una stick on yourself. Una see the bad thing they happen in Sierra Leone. Then they arrest people where they not for arrest. Then they beat people where they not for beats. Then they release people where they not for release. The religious people them sit down. When they're ready for go make devil not fine, devil this, devil that, devil there. Where devil not get anything for destroy the country. The people that want to destroy the country today, the judiciary, will not ever come and team up and talk to them. The Pastor Mambu, they will see vision. The Pastor Mambu, they will see vision. When I'm remanding out for that country day. Now then they talk the visions of that country. Today, now look everything where they happen. They don't know they talk. They don't know they say anything. Today, now look where census. Now you want to count also back. Alaki census they pack out to disgrace them. Una no come and say anything. Civil society they not come and talk nothing. 2022 election. Till now January would they pass so no hear anything about that. Nobody not talk anything. In a local council election, we don't bother. We used to beat them for. Right? 2022 election, forbid June, July. Till now, registration not go on. Till now, nothing not happen. How a whole country go there forget national ID card in all day. Ever. How a whole country go there forget national ID card in all day. Whose country will they run? Whose country this, Papa God? Now make now watch how we sisters them then they go about at the country. Una watch how sisters they go on at the country. Una watch how things then they happen at the country. Everybody will go salon they grumble. Nobody and not sabi will go salon will say alhamdulillah. Everybody they grumble at the country. Nobody know they say alhamdulillah. Nobody know they talk to alhamdulillah. Ebo, SLPP, now they don't done the convention, so where by right, the opposition are them for done the convention, done everything. Today, madam, you they use them because they no say if MPC prepare earlier a problem for them. But yes, still, anyhow they do it now, this time come on at the hand. Madam, you not get for able to control nothing again. APC don't over patient, and this they can go out of control. Nobody not able for control what they can happen so now in a saloon. And they talk with authority. The one where Madam be cook, and they can happen. And nobody not able control her. Nobody not able for controller. It happen now. It don't come out of hand. This thing don't come out of hand. Because that thing when Madam be able power make you want to do this thing. Then get for come out bad for now. That thing when Fatima be able power when make you want to do this thing. Now he make you get for come out of hand. When Fatima be the old lamb, cut him bombo girl say ya eater. Would they pull wickedness panam? Would they make you feel the word of death? Would they make you feel the pain of death? Not of your own power, by the grace of God. Because they no say then they go 2023. Then they thief the money, not good, no bad. Then they take the money, not good, no bad. Ever, we need justice. And they call on every DJs, every musician, every DJs, the president, DJs for the president. When I pilot CPO, If you not take actions, Colombo, President All-Star, Cardinero Cacaras, Western Union Ambassador, we need action 72 hours. If we not take serious action, and they cost you mama then every then and then, and we declare war against Cardinero, we declare war against Colombo, we declare war against Pilot CPO, because now na responsibility this for team up for justice to that country. Who don't LC, a shit hole, a nasty ass like that one day. For come out, get soldier man, they guide them. Like seriously, the devil where they worship him, my man Bobo. The devil went born, the devil went in the worship him, my man conk back. Me at the bound, me say so. Let first see me now. Let ask Fatima. Let Fatima tell her than me. Let ask Fatima. And at the challenge him, with a kill him. With a declare him for kill him and for die. And let's see for die. The people them. Sierra Leoneans, this now my message. Una stay blessed and God bless Sierra Leone.